Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do your own facial at home. Don't mind my hair, by the way, because I just took a shower and this is how it looks like when I let it air dry. So make sure to really take your time with this because self-love and me time, especially during these days, are really important. So we want to make sure that our hair is out of our face. So that's why I'm wrapping my hair in a bun. And if you have a lot of baby hairs like I have, then you can also use a hairband. After everything is out of your face, make sure to clean your hands because you don't want to touch your face if your hands are not clean. And since there's a lot of bad bacteria on our phones and our tablets, make sure you really take your time with this and wash your hands thoroughly. After that, I like to use the Kylie Skin face wash. You can use your own favorite face wash for this step. I like to use small circular motions to make sure I don't skip any part of my face. I also don't like to wet my face first because this way the product can really do its job better and my face looks more clean. So I can highly recommend not wetting your face when you use face wash, especially if you have acne or oily skin. After I rinsed off the product, I like to go in with my towel and then just do patting motions so it dries that way instead of like really rubbing it into the skin. After this step, I like to shave my face and I do this with a brow razor and with natural oils. I believe this one is a mix of olive oil, peppermint oil, and rosemary oil. And then whatever is left on my hands, I don't rinse it off. I just use it for my hands, nails, and cuticles. After that, I take my brow razor and I just make sure I kind of like scrape all the dead skins off of my skin. You're not only going to get rid of the dead skin, but also of the tiny little hairs. I don't have that much hair on my face, but if I do this step, I always feel like my skin is way more glowing and it also looks perfect when I apply makeup like primer or foundation. Then I use 2 cotton pads to get rid of the oils and I use the Kylie Skin face wash again to make sure that our face is clean and ready for skincare. I bought this facial steamer and I actually really like this one because this one is so simple. You have like a small water tank and this button. You can also use a few drops of essential oils. I use a few drops of rosemary oil. You can use any essential oil if you want. This feels incredibly relaxing. Just by watching it back, I get really relaxed again. This makes sure that my face is ready for skincare because it's going to open up my pores. And I'm using this enzyme exfoliator from Wishful Skin. I really love this scrub because I find it a very gentle scrub, but at the same time it really exfoliates the skin. You don't have this dry feeling after this, and there are a lot of good enzymes in this as well, like pineapple and papaya. After I rinsed off the scrub, I like to go in with this tool. You have to be careful with this one. I don't use it very often, only when I have a few imperfections. And then I like to just really steam my face and get rid of some imperfections I have on my chin. Then it's time for a face mask. This one is the Mask Lotus from Kenzoki. I haven't tried this one. This was the first time of me trying this. It's a very hydrating mask. I really love this one, and also the packaging looks extremely beautiful. The lotus flower in the mask is actually a cream as well. So you mix the cream with a little bit of the gel and then you apply this on your skin. You can use any face mask you want. Clay mask, hydrating mask, sheet mask, whatever you want, depending on your skin type. I personally really love a very good hydrating mask because I feel like that is, what my skin needs, and that is what makes my skin the most happy. Then under my eyes, I like to use these patches. These are from Patchology. I left them for about 5 minutes and then I took them off and I massaged the serum into my skin around my eyes. So after 10 minutes, I took my steamer again, so I didn't rinse off my mask yet because I really wanted to help this mask really absorb into my skin by using heat and by opening my pores. I also massaged the mask into the skin and then I rinsed it off. This tool is from Madonna Skin. I have to use it more often actually, but I find this really relaxing. You can use this for your jawline, your cheekbones, also on your body. I have a bigger one as well. This is supposed to visibly firm and refine your jawline, your cheekbones, your forehead. I'm not sure if I can really see a difference with this, but I do like the feeling of this. It's made out of pure high density carbon, but I like the fact that this makes the blood circulation going. So actually I have to use it more often to see if I can see a difference. Now it's time for this rice water. This is a soft essence from Tatcha. Tatcha is one of my favorite skincare brands. I love their products so much. I find them really relaxing and everything works so far. So this is the rice water and this is really anti-aging. I also really love how this makes my skin feel. So after that, I used the ordinary products. One is the hyaluronic acid and the other one I can't really pronounce, but is I will link it in the description. It's the zinc version and I love to use those two because I use the zinc version on all my imperfections around my chin area, and now with the hyaluronic acid I focus on the rest of my face. This is the Lancome Genifique serum. I love this serum because also it's really anti-aging and very concentrated. So I like to really press this into the skin. It's not necessarily my favorite serum because I do have a lot of serums that I really like. It's just something that I like to use at the moment. This is the Tatcha serum stick. You can also use this as your serum, but you can also use this around your eyes. And I love the fact that you don't have to, rub this in with your fingers. You just apply it around your eyes and that's it. Then for my lips, I like to use any lip scrub. I cannot live without lip products. I need to have hydration on my lips 24/7. So this is a lip scrub from Project Lip. I don't think I have a favorite one. You can also make one yourself. And then later I go in with the Tatcha lip mask as well. For my moisturizer, I like to go in with this La Mer moisturizer. This one is really, really thick. It's like butter on your skin. So it says all skin types, but I personally think that you're going to love this one when you have really dry skin or dry to medium skin. But if you're on the oily side, I do think this might be a little too much. So I like to apply this especially at night. I'm still looking for a bit more affordable dupe. So if you guys have any recommendations, then please leave that in the comments section below. As I said, I'm using the Tatcha lip mask right now. You don't have to use this much, but I like to use quite a thick layer, especially if I'm going to sleep. Then I use this fake tan. This is the Jamie Genevieve U-Tan Spray Tan. I use just the tiniest bit because I also do think that this makes my skin look really good because there's CBD in it. For some reason, it really works with my skincare routine. And that is pretty much how I do my own facial at home. My skin can look irritated in some areas of my face, but this will all go away tomorrow. And then you wake up with baby, luscious, glowy, healthy skin. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and don't forget to really enjoy your me time. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up as well. Subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.